Hey there, Instagram fam! Have you recently changed your phone number on Instagram and found yourself locked out of your account? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. In today's video, we're going to tackle this issue head-on and show you some simple steps to get back into your Instagram groove. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Now, let's get started. So, you've changed your phone number, and logging into Instagram feels like an uphill battle. Here are 5 possible reasons why you can't log in. Poor internet connectivity. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, try switching to mobile data or restart your internet connection. Instagram downtime. Instagram might be taking a breather due to maintenance. Check for downtime using Is It Down Right Now. Account ban or deletion. Violating community guidelines can lead to a ban. Check for notifications or emails from Instagram. Hacked account. With over 1 billion users, hacking attempts are on the rise. If you suspect hacking, contact Instagram support. Wrong login credentials. Double-check your email, phone number, and password. Simple, but it happens. Now, let's dive into how you can fix these login issues. Fix number 1, check your internet. Slow connection? No login. Ensure your internet is tip-top before attempting to log in. Fix number 2, reset your password. Forgot your password? No worries. Open Instagram, click Forgot Password. Enter your details, follow the link they send you, and boom, new password. Fix number 3, Facebook ID login. If your Instagram is linked to Facebook, use it to log in. Easy peasy. Fix number 4, clear Instagram cache. Android users, go to Settings, find Instagram, and clear cache. Simple as that. Unfortunately, if you have an iPhone, you can't clear the cache. Fix number 5, sign in from another device. Sometimes a change of scenery helps. Log in from another device, be it a phone or computer. Fix number 6, try Instagram web. Can't log in on your mobile? Try logging in on the web at www.instagram.com. Fix number 7, update your Instagram app. Bugs love outdated apps. Keep your app updated for a smooth experience. Fix number 8, contact Instagram support. When all else fails, reach out to Instagram support. They might ask for verification, but once that's done, you'll be back in business. So there you have it, folks. No need to panic if you can't log in. Follow these simple steps and you'll be scrolling through your Instagram feed in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. And hey, if you've got your own Instagram login hack, share it in the comments below. Until next time, happy Instagramming!